Warehouse management. Now, a warehouse is a place where all inventory is stored. You might store things in a warehouse for a month, for a quarter, annually, and these items stored in a warehouse need to be turned over, meaning as long as you are keeping items in a warehouse, you are paying rent, you are paying overheads, and you are paying cost for it. The faster you can get items to come into your warehouse and move out, the better and more efficient is your warehouse management system. So a warehouse is a place where you store this cargo. You also need to have this cargo efficiently arranged so you know where what is placed in a warehouse. So the process of efficiently managing this cargo placed in a warehouse is referred to as warehouse management. This involves certain operation processes such as the way we pick an item, the way we pack, the way we put away items into different parts of the warehouse, and the way we retrieve items from the different parts of the warehouse. So now when a person who picks the item is called a picker. When a picker picks an item from the warehouse, we need to make changes in the inventory system to say that such an item has been removed from the warehouse. At the same time, once the item is packed and labeled, which also happens in the warehouse, and then the item is shipped, tracking information of that shipped item also has to be entered into the warehouse management system. We also have inventory management that works parallel to the warehouse management system that tells you how much of these cargo or how much of the inventory has been used, how much needs to be replenished. This data from the warehouse management system is also key in helping us forecast how much of inventory is required in the upcoming months. It can take into consideration averages used in the last few years and the amount of inventory actually being turned over in a warehouse in order to provide a most accurate and efficient forecast. This process of managing a warehouse using a system of organizing and storing goods based upon your shipping needs can help you increase your efficiency and reduce your cost. Efficient warehouse management can also help you have increased customer satisfaction. When you are able to source a product, tell your customer which products are readily available, and ship the right product to the right customer, that would result in customer delight and customer satisfaction. So if you want to retain your customers, give your customers more transparency into their orders, into their deliveries, and into knowing about the products in your shop, then it is best to have a good warehouse management system. The key components of a warehouse management system would include organizing your inventory efficiently, optimizing the space available in the warehouse to make optimum usage of the space, managing your stock levels, knowing when to order more stock, knowing when you have dipped into your safety stock, optimizing your inventory, managing your stock levels, and streamlining the overall warehouse operations. Whether you are handling only a few products or whether you are handling a major distribution center, having a good system of operations in process, that is an SOP setup, and having all your employees trained in how to manage the different activities in the warehouse would go a long way in helping you achieve an efficient warehouse.